Looking for a fast, free, and developer-friendly hosting platform? Cloudflare Pages has become one of the top choices for static websites and modern web apps. But is it actually the best hosting platform in 2026? Let's find out. What is Cloudflare Pages? Cloudflare Pages is a hosting platform built for static websites and front-end frameworks like Next.js, React, Astro, Vue, and Svelte. It connects directly on GitHub or GitLab. So every time you push new code, your site automatically builds and deploys. It is designed for speed, simplicity, and global performance. Key features. Here are the features that matter most. Global CDN powered by Cloudflare's massive network for fast loading worldwide. Automatic deployments from Git repositories. Free SSL certificates and custom domain support. Preview deployments for every pull request. Built-in support for Cloudflare workers and serverless functions. Excellent compatibility with modern front-end frameworks. Generous free tier that is enough for many personal projects and portfolios. Pros and cons. Pros: extremely fast global performance, very generous free plan, easy Git-based deployment, excellent developer experience, strong security with Cloudflare's infrastructure. Cons: better suited for static sites and modern web apps than traditional dynamic websites. Some advanced features require learning the Cloudflare ecosystem. If you are hosting WordPress or other PHP-based applications, this isn't the right platform. Final verdict. Cloudflare Pages is one of the best hosting platforms in 2026. If you are building portfolios, landing pages, documentation sites, blogs with the static generators, or modern JavaScript applications. However, if your project relies on traditional server-side hosting like PHP or cPanel, you will want a different hosting provider. For front-end developers, though, Cloudflare Pages is hard to beat. If this review helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more honest hosting reviews, AI tools, and web development comparisons. Thanks for watching and goodbye.